world's abuse. I won't give up or refuse. This is how it feels when you've been